babes, welcome back to another new video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back if you have been here already. So I did a poll recently and I asked if y'all wanted to see like a jumbo twist style or a ponytail look, and 80% of y'all said that you wanted to see the jumbo rope twist. I am going to be doing the ponytail one soon, but today I'm going to show you how to do those jumbo twists. So I'm cleaning my parts with I'm actually using the Shine and Jam, the red jar, to help clean my parts, and then I'm going around my ponytails with the edge boost for thick and coarse hair. I just really like how it just slicks the hair and holds it. I'm putting my ponytails in and I'm using large jumbo rubber bands, and I'm also not making the ponytails tight. Do not make them tight. Also, if you have like fine edges like myself, I like to brush my fine edges out, and that's with any style that I do. That way I avoid tension. So now I'm just going to be putting my hair into ponytails. I did exactly 12 boxes. I wanted them to be large. I didn't want too much, and I wanted it to look natural but full at the same time. So in the very front, my last 3 boxes, I actually put them into triangles because triangles just make the style just pop, especially when you have like jumbo twists or braids, and they just so cute. So y'all know I had to be extra. So now we got our 12 boxes, nice and neat as possible. They don't have to be super perfect. To achieve these jumbo twists, I'm going to be using the Zuri Water Wave, and it comes in 3 bundles. And for each ponytail, you're actually going to be using 1 full bundle. So you can split this into 2, or you can split it into 3. And then you're just going to take your time and crochet it through the ponytail. After that, you're going to just really fluff it out to make sure that, you know, it's easy to maintain and manage. And then I'm going to be using a generous amount of foam as well as Eco Styling gel. And then we're just going to start to twist. So when you're twisting, I don't know if you've seen like Senegalese like videos, how they have you twist one way, then twist the other way. You're kind of doing that. You just want to make sure that you're keeping it together and twisting like really close together. That way you get that juicy twist look in the end. Also, what I did to like keep it pretty much like an easy flow and just to help define as I twist, I continued to apply Eco Styling gel and even a little bit of foam. Little disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. For all business inquiries, please email tsamone.bizinquiry@gmail.com. I like to like drench the hair in foam and gel. It just made it so much easier. It was just so smooth, just being able to twist, and the hair didn't tangle up. It just made it just a really smooth process. So use as much foam and as much gel as you want. It's never too much with this style. Y'all see how natural and juicy those twists are looking in the back right there? Like, look at the ends. And then just do a little twirl off and cut off that little excess piece. 9 down, 3 more to go. I am forever watching some type of comedy when I am doing my hair. Y'all, I was filming this at like almost midnight in my salon suite. I was the only person at the suites. I know I do not need to be there late at night, but I wanted to really get this video made for y'all. So I hope y'all are enjoying this video so far. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications because I want to be doing post notification shout outs really soon. And yeah, comment below. I really hope this really works for y'all. I thought it would be something really cute, beneficial, and pretty easy to do. And it's inexpensive, so y'all know how I'm rocking. Now that I'm at the top, I didn't speed up the video as much because I really wanted y'all to be able to see and grasp like what I was talking about and what I was doing. So you see how tight the twists are and how I'm like turning the hair and twisting at the same time. And then I'm also still applying my gel so that it can help me really to define that twist. And then this is what the bundle looks like. So I just split that a couple times to make it an easier process when I crochet it through the ponytail. And like I said before, this hairstyle is not heavy. I'm still wearing it actually. I really like it. So I'm going to be wearing this for a few more days and then I'm going to make something else for y'all. But y'all know I had to give y'all some cute styles for the springtime. The foam that I'm using is by Shine and Gem actually. It's like a setting foam, but I really like it so far. I usually use my Nairobi, but I like the Shine and Gem foam. And twist coming out nice and juicy. Now to my edges, I'm just going to be brushing them out and then I'm going to be going in and I'm going to be using, of course, my Edge Boost for thick and coarse hair, y'all. It has to say for thick and coarse hair. That thing will lay your edges, okay? So I'm just going to be going in with my red tail comb and just kind of helping to swoop. And now just to set it some more, I'm just going to be spraying some Got To Be spray. And then to give it some shine, I'm going to be going in with my oil sheen.